I'm here with the Sage Super Q blender. With this, you'll be able to whip up soups, smoothies, and juices in seconds, thanks to its powerful 2400 watt motor. It gives you quick results, even for thicker ingredients, nuts, and fibrous foods that might be a challenge for your standard blender. You can also fit loads into the large 2-litre jug, whether you're prepping some soup for the week or mixing a batch of cocktails for your partied guests. You've got a range of options to get the results you want, with 12 speed settings to choose from and a pulse function that makes sure you'll get the perfect texture whatever you're making. And to take the guesswork out of your blending, the Super Q feature has loads of preset programs that make it easy to get the ideal settings for drinks, soups, and frozen desserts with the touch of a button. And it comes with a personal blender attachment that has its own blade unit, meaning you can blend straight into the cup and take it out and about.